Hey folks, MonkeyKingHero here, and today we're discussing how to get and craft condensed resin in, well, Genshin Impact. So first of all, we need to go to Leo, and we need to go to here, which is the reputation board, which is just behind the Adventurers Guild. And if we look here, once we get to reputation level 3, we're going to be where is it? Sorry, reputation 3. It's here. Instructions, condensed resin, which gives us a crafting blueprint, which is detailed step-by-step instructions for making condensed resin. Using resin in this condensed form to activate certain line blossoms, petrified trees will increase your efficiency. So, in order to do that and in order to craft it, we need 1 crystal core, 40 original resin, and 100 mora. So it's not the worst thing in the world, but let's actually head over to a crafting bench here in order to show you what it looks like. So if I head over to here and craft, and then look for it. Where is it? Where is it? Oh wait, did I forget to activate it? I wonder. 2 seconds. Damn, I can't remember to open my inventory. What is wrong with me? Hello game? Can you help me out? Hello? I got inventory. So then fit key items. Here we go. So I'm gonna use it first, as you should. And then from there we can actually craft it. There you go, condensed resin. So I need 1 crystal core, 40 original resin, and oh, no gold, that's cool. And then from there we can get this. So as you can see, condensed tree resin that can be used instead of original resin to revitalize petrified trees. Receive greater rewards. So obviously this is a really good thing, and honestly I'm just gonna create 3 now because they're just good to have. But you can only carry so much at the time, so just do keep that in mind. So for instance here, I'm just gonna create 2 of the 3. And then from there I'm gonna use that in the future. But anyway, I hope that does help you out guys, and as always, I will see you in the next video.